Selling products on Amazon is a dream for many people. Knowing what to do to become successful faster makes the process a whole lot easier. What's up, everyone? I'm Alexis from AMZScout. In this video, we go over things to do before you start selling on Amazon to help you make those dreams a reality. Becoming an Amazon seller is an opportunity that has presented itself relatively recently. It can be seen too good to be true or too complicated to be done by someone without some specialized knowledge. The truth is, there's nothing that can't be overcome by simply knowing or learning a thing or two. It's a great opportunity, but it's not easy. It requires intelligence and diligence in order to make the best of the circumstances presented. The cost to sell on Amazon doesn't mean you have to spend an enormous amount of money or an enormous amount of time running your business. Before you start selling, spend a little time every day to make smart decisions. You'll be saving valuable time and resources. The smart decision making should start well before you start selling products on Amazon. Join a community of sellers and get educated on the subject. The benefits of being surrounded by sellers, especially experienced ones, are huge. Unless you know an Amazon seller that's willing to answer all of your questions, consider joining a community where you can discuss your selling issues. There are several Facebook groups, forums, and places like Quora.com where you can interact with other sellers and learn from them. Joining these communities isn't enough. You'll quickly discover that launching your first product is going to be challenging. It's best to educate yourself before you start selling. Nothing can fully prepare you for what it's like when you actually start selling products on Amazon. During your daily routine, find and bookmark a variety of good YouTube channels, as well as podcasts and blogs with good and reliable information. You can also take the course route while you're given an instructor and normally a step-by-step way of getting through the selling process. What kind of seller do you want to be? There's more than one way to run your Amazon business, and there's more than one type of Amazon business. Your first decision should be whether you want to fulfill your own orders, which is FBM, fulfillment by merchant, or would you like Amazon to fill them, FBA, fulfilled by Amazon. In other words, do you want to pack and send each order by yourself, or are you willing to pay Amazon to do it for you? Which business models should you choose? Keep in mind that you don't always have to choose between each of the models. It's easy to switch from one to another or run multiple business models at the same time and on the same seller account. This is one of the best things about selling on Amazon. You can always try something new and figure out what works for you. Wholesale implies that you'll be ordering a batch of products that already exist and already are being sold on Amazon. Using a wholesale model will require less effort since you won't have to find or manufacture a product or worry about its listing. You just have to find a product that's selling well and find a way to get your slice of the sales volume cake. This can be done in multiple ways, such as undercutting the price, having a better seller rating, and holding the buy box, or a special PPC strategy. This is a good way to start selling products on Amazon without risking too much. It tends to be a little bit more expensive because you are buying in bulk. The private label model involves selecting a profitable product niche, finding a manufacturer, and repackaging or customizing and branding your own products. It's popular because it can make you an enormous amount of money. If you've ever heard of Amazon seller success stories about people earning millions on Amazon, it was probably using a private label business model. The downside to PL is you're starting from scratch. Zero rank, zero sales, zero exposure. You have to build your product high in the ranks and establish yourself to make your profits. Retail arbitrage is the least risky and requires resourcefulness and timing. The cost of selling on Amazon is by far the lowest in this model. It also implies that you have to find products that are on sale in either a brick and mortar store or another e-commerce platform and then sell them on Amazon at a higher price. It requires you to be able to find those deals and react quickly to list them on Amazon and get the sales. It takes the least amount of effort in terms of listing optimization or PPC maintaining and costs, since none are required. How to find a product to sell. This is a very big and complex topic. If you've done any research whatsoever, you probably picked up on that. The hardest part is figuring out exactly which product is the right product. This is time-consuming, partly due to its importance. Your entire business depends on it, and it shouldn't be taken lightly. There are many factors to consider, such as weight, the shipping cost, and the manufacturing cost. Now, from the perspective of marketability, be aware of the demand and the supply, the competitiveness of the product niche, the profitability, margins, the growth potential, the list goes on. Now, fortunately, we have a lot of great articles to help you. Articles that cover different aspects, such as guidelines to finding your first product, product packaging, and finding a profitable niche. Here at AMZScout, we suggest reading all of these articles before diving in to start selling on Amazon. Rely on accurate software. Using software tools is very common for Amazon sellers, at least for those that are serious about making a profit. This software is another cost of selling on Amazon that should be factored in while investing, especially if you want to do things right. There are all kinds of software for product research, like AMZScout's Chrome extension. AMZScout is a great tool because it helps you see critical data needed while searching for products. Good, diligent sellers are always on the lookout for new products to source, but the truth is, looking at data is the key to continued success, and finding new products is only a part of the process. Once you start selling products on Amazon, you should be able to use the data to monitor your competition, to acquire new keywords, and to find new ways to optimize your listing. While considering which software to use, select one that's accurate and reliable, that's easy to use. Most importantly, don't stop researching. Now down below you can test out the AMZScout products, including the Pro Extension and the web app. Set yourself up for success. Eventually, you'll need a range of tools to help you manage customer email campaigns, track your organic rankings, and split test your listing optimization. There are many options available, and there are bound to be more in the future. Now that's all I have for this video. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I hope you found this useful and enjoyable. Now for more on selling on Amazon, check out our blog, our Facebook, and the rest of our YouTube videos. Until next time, happy selling.